Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Today we're reviewing the Jowua 100 watt car charger, and this item promises to charge laptops, so we'll test that today with our MacBook Pro. And the center console organizer right there. Looks quite well made and will certainly help to organize your Tesla Model 3. We'll check that one out as well. But the first thing I want to unbox today for you guys is the Jowua 100 watt car charger for laptops. There it is there. Of course, this will fit into your 12 volt plug in your Model 3. And I'll show you where to find that in 1 second, but that's what the box looks like. 100 watt car charger, specification model Jowua CC1, input DC 12 volt to 24 volts, output QC 5 volt 3 amps, 9 volt 2 amps, 12 volts 1.5 amps max. Output type C PD, 5 volts 5 amps, 9 volt 5 amps, 12 volts 5 amps, 15 volts 5 amps, 20 volt 5 amps. Obviously more output from the USB-C type C PD. This one is a 4-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Again, make sure to register for that extra warranty. That's pretty good, 4-year warranty there. 100 watt high power, USB-C and USB-A dual output for MacBook laptop charging. There we are, the 100 watt car charger for Jowua. Let's unbox it for you guys right now. Very compact packaging there. All paper, which is good. Prefer that these days. More environmentally friendly. And that's what it looks like. Kind of reminds me of a cigarette lighter from the old days. There you go, Jowua. That goes in the 12 volt end. And there it is, USB-A and USB-C. USB-C promises 100 watt charging. Okay, so to find your 12 volt plug, just look inside the center console here. So I'll just close it for you guys and then open it again. That's where you'll find it. And then just look behind here. Hopefully there's enough light down here for you guys. So right there, that's where it is. So open it up. Right. A bit of a spring load there. So what you do is just plug this Jowua product straight in there like that. And that's all it is, very installation required, and you can use it straight away pretty much. Alright, just to prove that it's working, so my MacBook Pro is currently plugged into the Jowua 100 watt adapter. There's the USB-C cable, all in one continuous loop. As you can see now, it's plugged in to my 2021 16-inch MacBook Pro. I'm very happy with, by the way. Just got it last year. Working beautifully. Useful for my live streams. Works like a treat. And let me just zoom in here. So normally I've tried charging my various laptops over the years and MacBooks with different cables, and there just isn't enough power in the supplied USB slots in the Tesla Model 3. And I'll just zoom in here to the top of the screen. Hopefully you can see that. So I'll just click this battery icon there. There you go. Battery, power source, power adapter. 54 minutes until fully charged, whereas normally it would say not charging. So there you go. That's proof that the laptop is definitely charging using that Jowua product in our Tesla Model 3. Thank you, Jowua. Works perfectly. And the last thing I want to show you is the center console organizer. Again, thank you to Jowua for sending me this. Again, very well built, very sturdy plastic. Look at that, I like it. And what is really nice about this is that it actually fits with any existing organizer that you might already have in your Tesla Model 3, which I actually do from another supplier. But what it does is that it sits right there on top of it. That way you can still keep your existing organizer below. And there's a bit of a grill as well right there. probably see. So you can keep the light shining through with that grille there, just on the back end of this organizer, which is great. And a couple of slots there, stop stuff rolling around, and also a clip is here as well to hold stuff too, which is pretty cool. As you saw, that folds down. This is the center pad I've got here. Wireless charging pad for our pre-refresh Model 3. By the way, they also sell this for the refreshed 2021 Model 3s as well. We've just got a 2019 Model 3. But if you want the refreshed Model 3 version, have a look on the website. And then you can close the lid like that perfectly, so it fits all in one beautifully. Alrighty guys, there you are. Those are the 3 products from Jowua that they've sent me to review. The multi-device wireless control pad, the 100-watt laptop charger, and also the center console organizer for our Tesla Model 3. As I said, this center console is also available for refreshed 2021 Tesla Model 3s. So check out the website, jowua-life.com, and don't forget to use my coupon code TESLATOM5 for 5% off any of these products. I'll leave those details in the video description below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Until the next video, happy charging.